Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add story on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Now tap on the plus icon from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the gallery option from the bottom left corner. Simply select the photo or video that you want to add to your story. Then, tap on the next button from the bottom of your screen. Finally, tap on the post story option to add your story to Telegram. And this is how you can add story on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.